Hello dear students, very good morning. Today I am going to revise the chapter Physical and Chemical Changes. So first main is choose the correct option. Freezing of water is a dash change. It is a physical change because here no new substance is forming, right? So hence it is a physical change. Next is which of this is a chemical change? Photosynthesis, mixing sugar in water, mixing salt in water, cutting of food. Photosynthesis is a chemical change here. So by using some raw materials, food is preparing, right? That's why it is a photosynthesis. Next, the necessary condition for rusting is dash. Presence of carbon dioxide, presence of hydrogen, presence of air and water, a presence of nitrogen. You know that for the process of rusting, it requires air and water. Which of this is not a method for preventing rusting in metals? So options are like painting, alloying, galvanizing and watering. So watering, because painting, galvanizing, alloying are which we use it to prevent rusting, right? Watering, it will cause rusting. Okay, so water is reason for the rusting. Next, combustion takes place in the presence of dash. So carbon dioxide, nitrogen, copper and oxygen. You know that if the flame has to burn, if anything has to burn, it requires oxygen for the combustion. Next, the activity which shows both physical and chemical changes dash. Burning of a candle, photosynthesis by plant, melting of butter, melting of ice. The right option is burning of a candle. Why? Because so here the wax melted, that is a physical change. So batti uriyattalva, that is an example. Burning of that candle, it is an example for a chemical change. Next, iron compound that forms due to the reaction of iron with the water and oxygen is known as dash. So it is called as rust. Next, which of the following is an alloy of iron and carbon? So alloy of a combination of iron and carbon, we call it as a stainless steel, right? Next is true or false, right? T for true and F for false. So tearing of paper is a physical change. Yes, it is true. Presence of oxygen and water is necessary for rusting of iron. Yes, it is true. Next, copper is more reactive than iron. No, iron is more reactive than the copper. So this is the false. A physical change can be reversed. Yes, physical changes can be reversible, right? That is true. Next, in a chemical change, no new substances are formed. No, in the chemical chain, new substances will be formed. So this statement is false. So you have to complete the analogies. Acetic acid, vinegar. Next, dash under lime water. So calcium hydroxide is called as lime water. Copper sulfate, it is called as blue vitriol. Next, green vitriol means ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate means green vitriol. Next, physical change and chemical change is permanent. So here physical change is temporary. Oxide of iron, oxide of magnesium is MgO. It means oxide of iron is FeO. Next, saline water, salt in water. Soda water means carbonic acid in the water. Next is true, write P for physical change and C for chemical change. So you cut your hair, it is a physical change. Making a fruit and cornflakes mixture, it is a physical change. Baking soda reacts with a vinegar, it is a chemical change. And rotten food, so that is also example for a chemical change. Next, a piece of metal is bent in half. Just bending. Bending means so only changing the shape, nothing but physical change. Next, aspirin tablet is crushed into fine powder. So you have just crushed, not mixed with any other thing, right? It is a physical change. Next, baking cookies. So it is also chemical change. A tree burns to form ashes. So your new substance is formed, that is ash, hence it is a chemical change. Next, a piece of paper is crumpled up. It is a physical change. Next, water freezes to form ice. So it is a physical change. Next, a candle is burning. Candle burning, it is a burning, see, burning means it is a chemical change, and candle is melting means it is a physical change. Next, what happens to the following substances in the given conditions? Substance is iron rod. Condition is keep outside in the moist condition. What happens? It will rust. It is a chemical change. Next, a glass window pane. Okay, this is the substance. Condition is a ball hits and passes through it. So what happens? It will break. So it is an example for physical change because we can fix this glass pane. Next, raw egg. Raw egg condition is broken and whipped. So ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ರೋಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೆಗೆದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಸ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಕೇಕ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕೇಕ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೇಕ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಬೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, camphor. Camphor lit with a matchstick. What happens? It will burn, right? So and it is a chemical change. Let us see the next main. Define the following terms. Crystallization. Crystallization means a process by which pure crystals of a substance are obtained from its impure solution. For example, if you mix the impure salt in that water means, so it becomes the salt solution. So by evaporation process you can get the crystals. Okay, so impure in the pure ಆಗಿರುವಂತ crystals ನ obtain ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ we call it as crystallization. Next is sublimation. So a process of changing a substance directly from solid to the gaseous phase without passing through the intermediate liquid phase. So you can give a camphor burning. So when you burn the camphor or karpurana burn ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So it will directly evaporate it into the atmosphere, right? So that is an sublimation. Next is corrosion. So corrosion means the process by which a metals are destroyed progressively by a chemical action. Chemical action in the metals ಎಲ್ಲಾನು destroy ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ we call it as a corrosion. Next is rusting. So the process of formation of an iron compound on the surface of iron object. Okay, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಐರನ್, ಸೊ ಐರನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇಂದ, so it will get destroyed. It is called as rusting. Next is give reasons for the following. So rusting is seen mostly during the rainy season. Why rusting is seen mostly during the rainy season? Because water and oxygen must be present for iron to rust. So rainy season ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ರಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Since water is available during rainy season, so mostly rusting happens during that time. Next is explosion of crackers is a chemical change. So explosion of crackers is a chemical change because they burn and they will form the new substances. So it is example for the chemical change. Next, carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. So carbon dioxide turns lime water milky due to the formation of an insoluble substance, that is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate form ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So that's why it will produce a milky color. Next, baking soda fizzes with a vinegar. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಡಾ ವಿನೆಗರ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ so we'll get the fizz. So because baking soda fizzes with a vinegar as a chemical reaction taking place, so it will release as carbon dioxide. Ita reaction ಆಗಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ, so along with the salt it will produce carbon dioxide. Next, a shiny copper object turns green color after some times. So you might have seen in your maybe ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಅಂತ ದೇವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಇಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತ ದೀಪ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಳಶ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದ ಶೈನಿ ಕಾಪರ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಥಿನ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಟಾರ್ನಿಶ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟಿನಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿ following questions in brief. What are the two types of changes in matter? That is physical and chemical changes. So give one example of each. Physical change. A change that occurs in a physical property such as size, structure, shape, appearance, state. So these are all the examples. And not in the chemical composition of the substances. So this is called as a physical change. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಶೇಪ್, ಸೈಜ್ ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ So example you can give deflecting and inflating a football. Next is a chemical change. So the process in which new substances are formed having entirely different composition from the original substance. It is called as chemical change. So here new substance is formed, so other than the original product. So example rotting of fruits and vegetables. Next, what is rusting of iron? Name two factors which cause rusting. So rusting means when a piece of iron is left in an open place with lots of humidity or in a wet place for a few days. So a reddish brown color appears on its surfaces. This is called as rust. So the process is called as rusting. So the two things can cause rusting are oxygen and water. What is a displacement reaction? So displacement reaction means among elements, a more reactive element will displaces the less reactive element from its the salt solution. You know that if you take iron, when you dip it in a copper sulfate solution, so copper sulfate will become iron sulfate, right? Because so here copper is replaced by this iron. Next, define combustion. Combustion means it is a type of chemical reaction that takes place in the presence of oxygen to produce heat and light. So combustion ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is a type of reaction that takes place in the presence of oxygen. So oxygen in the presence ಅಲ್ಲಿ so ಒಂದು reaction ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ we call it as a combustion. So along with it, it will produce heat and light. So best example you can give burning of a candle. So if you want to burn anything, so if you want to see the flame means definitely it require oxygen for it. So this is about the combustion and displacement reactions. So this is about the chapter discussion, that is physical and chemical change. I hope you have understood. Thank you.